Elizabeth, you sure you can be... Oh, shoot. Okay by yourself?
Yeah, I mean, it's just Halloween night. It's not like it's scary or anything.
Okay, well, me and the others are gonna go... So, bye!
Bye! No boys. No nothing. Just... We're turning off the lights!
Elizabeth!
Who is that?
Elizabeth!
Stop following me!
Elizabeth! Whoa! We're home! Elizabeth? Elizabeth? Elizabeth?